What's up, Adventure Family? Do you want to have lunch together as a homeless nomad? Excuse me. Alright, these are the essentials. Peanut butter, hot sauce, macaroni and tomato sauce, and bread. Peanut butter and hot sauce on the bread. Then we're going to come in with this. Lay it down. A little bit left. I already had one of these before I decided I'd show you. Slap these mugs together. Like that. You got a sandwich. Back up. I ain't trying to drip on your head. You can clean up after I'm done. Unconventional, but it's good.